Hey, if you want to lock your screen on the Pixel 7 Pro, first of all you have to go to the settings. Next you have to scroll down and find this option, this security and the privacy. Right now you have to scroll down one more time and go to the device unlock. And here we've got two options to go to the standard screen lock. So it's the swipe, pattern, pin or password, or you can use the more advanced fingerprint sensor or the face recognition. And here we can find these two options. So I'm gonna show you how to set, for example, this standard password, this one. We must we must input at least 4 characters, so let's get 8. Click next. Now we have to input the same password one more time. Tap to confirm, and right now when you lock your phone with the power button that is located on the right side and you try to unlock it, you have to swipe and then input the password that you set up and then click here. And as you can see, that's all. Bye bye.